Hi all, I'm Sneha Nitin, and in this video we shall see a new feature introduced in 23 AI for data guard, that is automatic Tempfile creation on the standby database. In 19C and below versions, the data guard does not automatically replicate Tempfile configuration changes from primary to standby databases because Oracle does not generate redo for such operations. As a consequence, customers must design and program their own automation and replication logic to keep Tempfile configurations in sync between primary and standby databases. However, this is now automated in 23 AI. In Oracle Database 23 AI, you don't need to worry about the Tempfile on standby anymore. It automatically gets created when the PDB opens if the standby uses OMF and the standby file management parameter is set to auto on the standby. Let's first see the behavior of Tempfile creation on the standby database in 19C. Into the primary and standby in 19C. I'm creating a pluggable database for testing. PDB HR. Let's open it. It's in read write. On standby, we are now in read only. It's an active data guard, so obviously the archive logs will be applying to the standby database. Okay, so if you see, the Tempfile is not available on the standby. So even when you open, the Tempfile is not available. So now let's see how to manually add this Tempfile to the standby database. So first I will set the apply to off. So this is required in case you don't have the active data guard license. Others, you can directly put the database in read-only mode and you can create the Tempfile. So you see, I've added the Tempfile manually to the standby side. So as I mentioned earlier, if I'm not using an active data guard, I've had to shut it down, bring it to mount and then start my apply process. As you can see, we have set the apply to on again. Let's see the behavior of Tempfile creation on the standby database in 23 AI. To my 23 AI database in the primary and in the standby side. So let's check the parameter standby file management. It is set to auto on primary. Let's check it on the standby. And the DB file create file dest is using data disk group. So this is using OMF. Okay, I'm just listing all the temp files. So I'm creating again a pluggable database here, PDB HR, and I'm opening the PDB. I'm now connecting to the PDP database, and let's list the temp file. And now let's list the temp file. Well, let's open the PDP HR PDP on the standby. So now let's check the temp file. So as you can see, the temp file has been automatically created once you open the database in read-only mode on the standby database. Thank you for watching.